What is up, people, and welcome to my brand new review. In this review, we will test how to get the latest working and updated Delta Executor for your Roblox without downloading any modded APKs or any software, guys. You can do it with your Android or iOS devices or even with your PC. So for a start, let's go to this website. It's called bloxforge.com. You will find it easily, guys, and click on Delta Executor. So it should load up, and then we will enter our Roblox username to proceed. So don't worry, guys, because only thing that we will actually enter here is our Roblox username, which is public info. So I will continue with my username, guys, and let's click connect account. So you should get this fetching a Roblox profile, and guys, you should get confirmation. So if it's your account, just click yes, connect, and that's pretty much it. We're successfully connected. Now we will click import newest Delta Executor, and now, guys, if you want, you can select additional scripts to install. So I will go, just for test, I will go with overflow, NICUs, for example, and this Solix Hub. I will continue with this tree. You can select literally whatever you like, or you can Google them and see what they do, what games do they support. So I will go with this trick, click continue, and API will start connecting. So guys, make sure to subscribe to my channel in order to stay updated with all these kind of reviews and tutorials, because I'll record it more. And let's see, look at this. API is successfully connected. Nice, guys. And now our Delta is ready, and we got our activation key already, guys. Nice. So let's click I'm not a robot, because there is a lot of malicious bot attempts. Just click there and let's see, is it actually working, guys? So we should get verified right now, and boom, verification successful. Thank you for passing the bot check. Our user account connected and our Delta Executor key is connected. And let me see, just nice, it's fully revealed. Look at this, guys, we got full key now. So guys, before you get this verification successful page, you might be asked to complete 2 simple tasks. And when you get the list, just complete 2 simple tasks from that list, and you will get redirected to this verification successful page. You will get your user account connected, and you will get your key. So don't worry, just complete 2 simple tasks. I already did it. It's one-time verification, and you will be never asked again to complete this. So that's pretty much it, guys. And we got this. Thank you for passing the bot check. So now we will open our Delta and we will test, is it actually working? So let me open my Roblox, and we already should be, let's click on blocks freeze, for example. Let's click play. So guys, we should already get in our Roblox, or look at this. Look at this, guys. We got our fully activated Delta, and now we can play our literally every game on Roblox. You can play with this, and you can also, let's check out for the scripts, guys. Nice. Solix Hub, NICUs, and overflow, we got it imported just as we selected this. So let's see, is it actually working, guys? Like searching for other scripts. Let's blocks fritz, type there, guys, and you should get all these public scripts. So guys, you can click on this something execute, and you should get any script that you like, guys. So look at this. This script needs key, so you can do another one, guys. Let me minimize this. How to get this? Okay. So guys, you can also select script that we have already. Nice, there we go. You can also execute literally what we imported. So look at this. Nice, look at this. We got this script also working, and you can click farm and it will actually farm. Look at this. I don't know how to minimize this, but it works. As you can see, it automatically farming. So guys, yeah, the best thing is that bloxforge.com is legit website where you can get your Delta Executor, your scripts, and it was fully activated within 2 minutes. So I'm so excited because it actually worked after testing a lot of websites. And that's pretty much it. I hope you enjoyed and found it helpful. So if you do, make sure to subscribe to my channel, to comment down below, and like this video. So that's pretty much it, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.